firstly, I would like to thank ESPN Cricinfo for honoring this to me. It's a really special award, and it was a very special performance, very close to me. And yes, I'm very happy that ESPN has recognized this performance of mine. Getting 200 every day is not easy, or not, rather, I won't say possible. It is, but it's not easy. But yeah, it was more than anything else. It was a match-winning performance, and it helped us winning that series. So it was a decider game. We wanted to win that game and win the series. So I'm more happy than it came at the right time and we won the series.